Hi guys, Ashante here. So I have not been playing this game for quite a long time. I think it was 1 year. I came back recently, like 3-4 days ago. Not much done. Still my CC 20, while others have already reached 24. I guess it can't be blamed. At that time, it was like really slow, and it was not given when the new update will come. So basically, I'm trying to right now, get my CC up, and I hope I will be able to do that quick so that I can, tell you guys more about this stuffs. You see, you will need to get 500 honor badge. How many I have? Um, I have only 284, so it's still quite some time till I upgrade my CC. So when I came back, actually I didn't wanted to come back in my old kingdom, like everyone else has already gone ahead and I was left behind. So I thought like try to, maybe start a new city in a new kingdom. So at that time 35, like I was teleported in 35, but I get to know that 35 already was near faction war. So I thought maybe 36 would come, but as far as I am I got the news. As far as I know, there will be no 36 as for now. I think 35 can be the last kingdom, because usually whenever in a new kingdom faction war starts, there will be another kingdom which will at least there will be given here somewhere that a new kingdom will arise or soon. But this time there is nothing like that. And also the map makes a perfect square. I think like 36 will not be coming, at least for now. In 35 I did make my Smurf accounts, but I don't think so I will be continuing there now, because there's no future for in 35 for me, at least. Where it is, it was near somewhere here only. So I made this video, like when I made my account, I made like a lot of Smurf accounts. Many of you don't know, like if some of you don't know like how to make more Smurf accounts in Storm of Wars. As you know, in one mobile only one account can be made. It registers your mobile ID or something. So let's see. You need to download this APK, App Cloner. This App Cloner is actually really amazing. You need to get a VIP version of App Cloner. By that I am sure you can make the other matlab APKs of Storm of Wars. I have tried this many times already. Storm of Wars, in other ones it can't be used, but the App Cloner premium one, it's still available to make other accounts using Storm of Wars 3, and it still works. I think, yeah, still works. I can show you, hold on. And yeah, I will talk some more about Storm of Wars 20 plus stuff, like what I got to know from my guildmates when I came back. If any one of you want to know, you can still continue watching the video, but otherwise there's nothing else, no strategies and all, because I think it's all the same from the last time, which a year ago I made a video. It's all still the same. Yeah, you see, you can start a new one here. Yeah, this was my account, but I I didn't log in it, and by mistake I removed the APK, so I couldn't show you that. So yeah, these are the currently the maximum CC you can go, 24. All right. So what's the difference between 20, 21, 22, 20, 23, 24 all? So the main difference, that like the main difference will be the command centers, barracks, and all. That's the basic stuff. But what I got to know, like when I 1 year ago, when I thought that tier 2 will be coming, I maybe thought that tier 2 will can be like kind of more OP than elite troops. But when I asked from all my buddies in the guild, they told that tier 2 are not that great, like in comparison with the elite troop. They still use elite troop. I haven't seen anyone till now that use tier 2 troops instead of elite troops. I think still the elite troops are better. But some stuffs here, like tier 2 unit attack and melee health, these are important. I think they will be going for that. But in comparison, like these troops, I don't think they will be useful. Obviously, I mean, like you can change the Meg and Tempest for that. But what I mean that when you are attacking someone, you usually take all your stuff, like All, oh sorry, I don't have any. All you take is elite troops. Like there will be no changes in the attack composition. Only the tier 1 make will be changed to tier 2 if they had unlocked it. And also, after you upgrade your CC to 21 and 20 plus, the main buildings, like you see, the command centers, the barracks, they also require the honor badge, I think, for upgrading. And what can I say, it will take quite long. I really need quite long time to really max these. You see, you don't get many honor badges per day, like 20, 30 something you receive. And also, yeah, this new thing, almighty one, almighty badge. I i like did one to my 8, and it's it's like the same that the honor badge. But you can get almighty badge a bit more, like 90 or something in one day, 90 or 180 something. But still, that will be, that won't you won't get that in a huge amount from anywhere else. You Otherwise you need to buy it from the daily deals, or maybe from here. That will cost a lot of money, and many of us are free to play. Oh, also, by the way, my screen, like in this game only, it freezes. I don't know what's the reason. If anyone of you have any solution for this, do comment down. I've been trying to remove this, but it just isn't possible. I tried many methods, but still, I even contacted the developers, but I still didn't get anywhere. They told to reinstall the game. I did it multiple times, but still the same. And also, like you see, in many when I was 1 year ago, when I was new to the update, I thought maybe that 21, 22, 23, all the up down holes, like 20 will get inferior. But if you like really know how to attack and how to control your elite troops and do better, there's still a like quite a bit of chance you can do 1-1. Like I did 1 kvk when I came back, and I like pretty much did I pretty much attacked only 20 plus castles. So yeah, you see, you can do 1v1. It's like it's all the same. It's all like only elite troops. On the only difference is like they will have some extra elite troop, like 100 capacity more. You usually when they upgrade their castle, they don't take all the other buildings to the same level, because it all takes honor badge, and there are not many who have upgraded their castle. I mean, upgrade the other buildings. There are still many who have only upgraded their castles and rush to CS24. Let's see. I think I did scout someone. Hold on. I don't have the replay. So yeah, I have scouted some of the CS24 cities, and they haven't upgraded their the research center. Only upgrade their CSCC and command center mainly. Those are the main stuffs for this. And CS21 plus CS24, like I thought 1 year ago that they might be too OP like for CC20, but I don't think so. The only difference would be that you will be able to make more troops and more capacity. That's the only difference, because T2 troops aren't that useful at all. Also, I talked to Dev about uh, what's the like kind of future plan about all this. And you see right here, where is it? Yeah, you can read what I told, like what I wrote the developers about. Like when the SOW2 will roll out, or will we be seeing K36 soon, like in approximate 1 month or 1 year. Or like I don't think there will be any 36, but there will be SOW2 soon. They said, you can read there isn't even an approximate time frame for SOW2, but I think there will be SOW2 coming soon. Hope so, like not like the last time, like though they told they will be coming soon, but it still took like 1 or 2 years to come. And I hope SOW2 will be coming soon. I will like put some money in SOW2 if it comes out, and I really hope that SOW2 comes out fast, because I don't see like much of progression in this game anymore. Like everything is like repeating. There's nothing new at all. I get like CC24 is new, but that's going to take a lot of time. A lot of time. Like 1 year ago when I left, everyone was maximum CC20. Now after 1 year, I came back. There's not much difference. Only their CC level has upgraded and nothing else. the main fights there, those are all the same. Only 100 plus troops or 200 plus troops they get. That's all. No other differences. There was also news about the guild buildings and all, but that also didn't came. That would have been fun, I guess, but God knows what the developers are thinking. I hope they will be, uh, making SW and bringing it out soon, because the Kingdom One in SW2. I think it will be really awesome. All the active players will be going there, and I'm sure it will be one of the best kingdom for SW2, which will be coming in the future. I hope so. Well, that's it for the this video. And guys, yeah, if you have anything, like if you know anything that I have said wrong, do comment down below and tell me about it. And if you know any other usefulness of T2 troops, do tell me about it. I don't know much. I have been out for 1 year, so I need to get some of attacks and my attacks and my strategies done. I think I also need a new combo. I did one collision, but it didn't work out well for me. So if I get a new better combo, I will do inform you all about it. But for now, this is it. I hope SW2 will all come out soon. Till then, see you guys, and I hope this game survives. It's been a long time since there's only 50k downloads in the Play Store, and the last time I checked, like a year ago, that was still 50k, and still that is 50k. Don't know what will be now for this game. You see, still 50k, still 50k. Hope it this game expands. It has a unique concept. Let's see when things will be done. Till then, thanks for watching my video. If you see one, till next video, bye bye.